The morning sun.
Let's do a room tour of cabin 5314 on the Jubilee. Old balcony.
Spirit soar at the carnival. We crave for more. Freedom sings in the morning light. Everything feels just so right.
Here are some power outlets. A nice size TV. This flips over into another bed. The small seat for the vanity plus the storage area.
Morning sunrises feel so bright with every laugh, with every cheer. This carnival love we hold.
This is later. The restroom is on this side. And here is your closet space. Let's take a look at the bathroom.
Cotton candy, the taste so sweet. Every heartbeat feels like a beat. We dance together, hands held tight, chasing sunrises, hearts so light.